You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that look somewhat similar, but they have a different meaning and a different pronunciation. So let's start. The top word there is from Latin, meaning mother in Latin, and it's used in different expressions from Latin. Mater, it's pronounced mater in British English, or mater in American English pronunciation. Mater or mater, as in alma mater, for example, or mater dei, meaning mother. Now, the bottom word is matter, British English pronunciation, as in what's the matter, or this is an important matter. That's British English. The Americans say it as matter. What's the matter? So, top word with one T is mater or mater. Bottom word with two T's is matter or matter. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.